Number 3, you're going to find the vertex of the quadratic function that is in vertex form. So let's take a look at what vertex form is first of all. So vertex form can be written as the following. Y is equal to the A parentheses x minus, that's going to be an h, the first part of the vertex, close parentheses squared plus the k value. This is the vertex form. In this format, we can get the vertex very easily. All it is that h is going to be the first value, then comma k would be the vertex. So this is what we need to look for, okay? So I'm going to grab this right together, and we're going to move it right here, all right? Okay. Right there. Okay, that's what you should be looking for. Okay, so notice that this right here is the h, right? So we can say h is equal to 4. Then here, that's the k. So k is equal to 7. So in vertex form, right, it should look something like that. It should be, we can say that the vertex here is 4, comma 7. Okay, there you go. All right, so again, let's use this formula to help us. Okay, so let's get the vertex. So this is the h. But look, do you see how there's a minus here? It has to be a minus. Okay, so we think about the opposite. So h here is going to be equal to -3, right? Then the k here, which is going to be just 15, right? So we can say that the vertex is going to be h, which is -3, and the k of 15. Let's do the next one. This is h. Okay, do you see how the negative is already there? So we can say h is equal to 3. Here's the k, but do you see how there's a negative? So k is going to be equal to -9. So we can say that the vertex is going to be h, which is 3, and k, which is -9. And let's do the last one, which is letter D. Let's bring out the formula. And then, oops, let's move it a little bit more so we can see it a little bit better. Okay, so k, it's right there. Okay, but do you see how it's a plus? So h would be the opposite of it, so -10. And k positive, so k is going to equal to 2. So the vertex now is going to be the point h, which is -10, and k, which is 2. So there you go. That is how you find the vertex in vertex form.